Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to change shipping rates in Shopify. So the first step is to simply go to settings, and then you'll have to simply go to shipping and delivery. And as you can see here, I have a general shipping rate, so you can go here and click on that. And as you can see in United States, as you can see, I have the pricing here. As you can see, it's set up by weight. And if you want to change it, you'll have to simply click on these three dots and click on edit rate. And as you can see here, you're gonna have the option to remove conditional pricing. So as you can see, it's gonna be flat rate. So let's say $5 for shipping, and then click on custom flat rate, and then basically that's all you have to do. So here you'll have to simply enter the rate name. So here you can simply type in something like free shipping, and basically you can set up this as free shipping like this and click on done, and basically people will see free shipping, and basically this will convert way better, because people usually tends to buy stuff that have free shipping. So you can go on and remove all of these here and let only one like this. And then if you want, you can set up the pricing. If you want to make it like $10, you can do that by clicking edit rate and then entering the price. Of course, here you have to change from free shipping to shipping like this, and basically that's all. And as you can see here, you have international. So if you want, as you can see, you're gonna cover all these countries here. So you can go on and edit zone, and then you can simply add the countries or remove them if you want. And basically that's all. Don't forget to save, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.